You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly in British English and American English and clarify the pronunciations. British English pronunciation of the top word: gratuity, gratuity, gratuity. American English, gratuity. Bottom word, which is the adjective, the top word is the noun, meaning free, essentially. The bottom word, the adjective, gratuitous. British English pronunciation, gratuitous. American English pronunciation, gratuitous, gratuitous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.